gear knob in. Just dropping into first while rolling, no crunches. Second, third, no crunches at all. Go for gearbox again with. Moving into red line. Third, fourth, no crunches whatsoever. Look at oil pressure gauge, dude. Right, pause it. Check the oil pressure. I'm just going to pull over and just check the idle just after a good old boot. Just watch the oil pressure drop as normal. The gauge is a bit shit, so you have to just like get a quick bang. Yep, oil pressure on idle, about 600 revs, it's good to go. Let's get out, check out the engine and shit. Pop the hood. There's actually no gearbox noise though, is it? Cock on, mate. Cock on.